You know me on this channel, guys, I don't like to overcomplicate anything, so this quick little video I'm going to show you how to prune your raspberry canes and what to do if you don't know whether you've got the autumn or the summer varieties. Now there's two things you've got to know, and if you remember these two things you'll be alright. So autumn variety, they produce the raspberries in autumn, just when everyone goes blackberry picking. The summer variety, yeah, you guessed it, it's going to be summer. Now the autumn variety grows on new growth, so you've got to cut the stems back, cut the canes back. The summer variety grows on last year's growth or the existing growth. So autumn is new growth, summer is on the old existing stems. So how do you actually cut them back? How far down do you go? And what do you do if you've taken over an allotment and you've got existing canes and you don't know whether they're the autumn or the summer? Now, the thing I do and the thing a lot of people do is cut them back anyway. And when they regrow throughout the spring and summer and through to the autumn, all you've got to do is just have a look to see when they're producing the raspberries. Now, if you've got summer varieties and you've cut them back and they grow on existing growth, you won't get any that year. You'll get them the following year. So if you don't get any that year, don't cut them back, leave them, because they'll be summer varieties. And they grow, as I say, on the existing growth. So leave them. The autumn, obviously you're going to get them in the autumn and you want to chop them back. So how do you chop them back and how far do you go? Well, they don't mind a hard prune, so you can see here I've got lots of little canes coming up. I'll get rid of the tiny little ones like that. They can be cut right back, but I like to leave about sort of 10 to 15 centimetres, and they've got little nodules just poking out, so I'll tend to cut just above one of them. Any dead ones you can just snap off. So I hope that was okay for you. Obviously you can see the cuts are being made on an angle just above the nodule there, and as I say, I'm leaving about 10 centimetres above the ground. If you've found that video useful, give it a thumbs up. Say hello as well, it's always nice to see us watching my videos, and don't forget to subscribe. So thanks guys, I'll see you in the next one.